Hi, I'm John Calzaretta. I'm the head of product of Software Factory at 8090, and I'm excited to share some big features that we've just released. The first key feature is what we refer to as the unified agent. So Software Factory consists of the set of modules that capture, scrutinize, and refine intent, and also the verification and QA that come after. In the initial release of Software Factory, we built these modules for personas. We built a requirements module for the product manager persona, a blueprints module for the architect. Initially, what this looked like is we had a specialized agent in each module tailored to that persona. And when users wanted to move downstream or move across different stages of the SDLC, they would have to compress and summarize their conversations and throw them over the wall to the next module, to the next persona. We've invested in building out this unified agent so that you can have one conversation with an agent that flows across the steps of the SDLC, keeping that context very rich and fluid and interconnected. Another key feature in our release is an expansion of our MCP toolkit to allow for coding agents or external agents to make edit suggestions to requirements and blueprints, so that when gaps in the requirements are identified at time of implementation, the maintenance burden is much lighter by being able to have your coding agent make the suggested updates automatically that get brought into Software Factory that can notify your team and ensure alignment before it's too late. Another key feature in our release is what's called the Software Factory plugin. The Software Factory plugin is an installable package that essentially maps a set of our opinions and our skills and our rules into your coding agent environment so that it knows how to leverage Software Factory effectively, but also gives your team a consistent playbook so that you know your coding agents are operating in a consistent and standardized way. First, to collect all the context that lives in Software Factory, then to do implementation, and finally to perform drift detection, do the review of the implementation versus the initial intent captured in the requirements, and catch these things as early as possible. Now, another feature that we've released is enhanced drift detection. Software Factory is built on the core belief that coding agents are only effective when they've been given really clear and scrutinized intent on what to build and generally how to build it before they're able to operate effectively. And with any documentation first approach or spec-driven flow, every time a pull request is created or merged, Software Factory receives that event, that trigger, that then enables it to reason over the changes in the code versus what the initial intent was and find the gaps, surface them to the owner, bring the human in the loop to address them, to fix the code, or in some cases, if the coding agent identified a more elegant implementation, to update the requirements. But this is something where the human in the loop is extremely important, and Software Factory manages the detection and the call to action. We're very excited to have released these features and find the success stories that come out of them and hear your feedback.